So we have a...
No, I gotta... You don't get to start, man. I start the show.
Start it
Jesus
up, man.
Christ. What are you doing over here?
Man, I'm ready to go.
All right. Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box. Today, I have Jason.
Hey, how's everybody
Jason.
doing?
What do you got, Jason?
So I have a box.
I have to stare at you. You're a beautiful man.
You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true.
Thanks.
No problem.
That's what she said.
Hey, did this make you feel awkward?
Not at all. So we have a Cobra Road Scout today. It's a 2-in-1 piece. It's a dash cam and a radar detector built in.
You know, I didn't get to open the box. Come on, get out of here, bro.
Hey, man, slacking on Monday.
Box art, overall, I'll leave it out. He took it out. I'm going to leave it out. I do like the box art. It does go over all the features. I don't know if you can see that from the little sky cam, but it does have everything kind of on the side here, which I really love. I always love retail box where it tells you exactly what the item does. Exactly. Also shows you the item, kind of goes over some features on the back side. I think that's a really nice feature set too. And it tells you what's included, but we're going to do that. So we don't need it to do that. Again, nice box, very sleek. It's got the Cobra.
You want to talk? We'll talk. I'm a sucker for good conversation.
You like the Cobra?
That would look good on display.
Oh.
Like underneath the counter in the glass cabinet.
What do you got here? Ooh, that's like getting right into it.
Nice.
I know, it's a very nice feeling case, just to be clear. It's like a nylon, right?
Yeah, it's like a nylon. It's got some structure to it, a little foam.
Yeah. What do you got? Go. Don't look at me.
Yeah, let's see what we got here.
Got everything? Oh, there it is.
Ooh, this thing looks a lot smaller than what the picture shows.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Actually, yeah. Holy cow.
Let's get this thing out of here.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you tell everybody what it is?
So, what you have is a dash-mounted radar detector and dash cam. It's a 1080p camera. It has your XK laser detection. It's also app-driven for the camera and or the radar.
Did you know we're giving it away?
Yeah.
Did you know that?
It's going to somebody in Louisiana if they're paying attention.
How do they win?
They have to go to our YouTube channel. They have to subscribe. They have to like it. And they also have to put their dealer number and a comment down below.
What's all this fun stuff? What do we got here?
Man, that's installer's floor mats.
Yeah, product registration, right?
Yep.
Probably a good idea to register. Overall, general setup guide. Something I do want to call out though, form, fit, function, very nice. The thing I would call out probably the most is the physical buttons that are in reach.
Yep.
A lot of times when you're mounting these things, they put the buttons on top. It's very difficult to mute it or anything like that. You do have your mute, you have your mark button, an adjustment knob, which, ooh, I feel the knob. Spin the knob, Jason. Ooh, this is a little click knob. It's nice.
It's nice.
1080p screen?
No, 1080p recording. That is their LCD screen that is customizable.
I took this off.
As we can see here. Customizable. Another cool thing that you mentioned is that the speaker is on the bottom. So instead of the alerts going forward to your windshield or up to the headliner, it goes down. So you'll be able to hear them a little bit better.
Nice. We got more accessories to talk about, buddy.
It comes with a 16 gigabyte card, which should give you up to 3 hours of recording.
Cool.
Of continuous loop.
Yes.
See, this is a patented magnetic mount. Awesome.
Nice. So magnet mount, just so you guys don't know, the one kind of nice piece with the magnet mount is it's very strong.
Do you want some help with that?
No.
Very strong. Don't break it. We're giving it away, buddy.
Eh.
And then B, vibrations from the car, right? That's a big issue with a lot of the... oh, I got it out there.
Oh,
What the heck happened there? So, vibrations from the car, a lot of times with the metal mounts, they do shake the unit. This will stay nice and secure with magnet mount. So, really cool piece there. Easy to install, easy to take down, so that if you do want to take it down, you can put it in the case, put it in the glove box.
Rental
Steal
cars.
it, right? Rental cars, all that stuff. What's this?
Oh, it's a smart USB cord. So what it does is it allows you to plug it into your cigarette lighter, and leaves you one extra port so you can still charge your cell phone or any other device that you need at the time. It also has a convenient little mute button. So if you can reach that more than you can your windshield, there you go.
Nice.
Back to the mount a second. One thing that we forgot to add is that because of these using the unique mag mount, there is another brand out there called Blend Mount that makes vehicle-specific mounts that has the same mount on there. So you can take this for your weekend car, and the other car you could have the permanent mount, and it does the same style of mounting.
How do you get to your video footage?
You can get to that through the Drive ID app. HD. My bad.
It's okay. Drive HD app right from Cobra. That'll give you the ability to view it, right? So that's a big piece. It is a Wi-Fi connection?
It has two. It has one that does the communication for updates on the radar unit and the software. It also has one that does the communication to your cell phone and the app so that you can put your movies on their screen. You can watch them on the screen. You can also edit them so that if you're involved in an accident, that you can take that clip and send it to the officer at the scene of the accident, just so that he has it prior to writing a ticket or whatever.
Why don't we just take it from the top?
Here goes. I sped. I followed too closely. I ran a stop sign. I almost hit a Chevy. I sped some more. I failed to yield at a crosswalk. I changed lanes in the intersection. I changed lanes without signaling while running a red light and speeding.
So a big piece to this, right? You're combining dash cam and radar detector into one piece, so you don't have a huge clutter under your mirror, right? I know everybody's seen that. We got 18 things under there, all these wires hanging down.
Exactly.
This is a really killer piece out there. Really the only thing in the market that I've seen like this.
Nothing else.
You know, it's a nice binocular look too for you. You can look
Yeah.
through and see things. Very fun. Ultimately, if you do want to hardwire, right, download your videos, I presume.
That allows you to hardwire into your computer, download the videos. As you said, it also allows you to use a laptop to put your software updates into them if you're in an area where it doesn't have Wi-Fi.
Our house, it has no internet.
Oh, my God.
We've got nothing. It's just gone.
So that you can download the software and just uplink it.
And for me, connecting to the phone to any device, I always prefer to have a Wi-Fi connection. The biggest difference for you guys, if you don't know, if you use a Bluetooth connection, you are very limited to how far you go away from the device. Yep. Wi-Fi typically has a little bit better distance, so you're not limited to that 30 feet. Usually you can get about 40, 50 feet away, still access the unit. So I always think that if it has a Wi-Fi connection, it's a much more stable connection and a better overall piece for you guys. But
Definitely.
If you guys want to see anything with the pricing on this, something we're going to start mentioning in the videos, if you go into the description, you'll see a link to the Dow Electronics website. If you're a dealer for Cobra, it's going to show you both the retail pricing as well as your pricing. If you're not, it's just going to show you the retail pricing so you can see it if you guys are interested. Really want to say a big thank you to the guys over at Cedar.
Yes.
Providing the product. We really appreciate this stuff. We are giving this away. Jason mentioned it earlier. I'm going to mention it again. Put your name, put your dealer number below. At the same time, while you're doing it, because you got a mouse, you can go click the like and a subscribe. And we appreciate it because we need it. Jason
Need
needs
it bad.
Jason needs love in his life. Look at this man. He's a beautiful man. I love me some Jason. Till next time, we'll see you guys later.